Let's go, Brittney. Come on. There you go. Come after it. Let's go. Double it up. Drive. There you go. Climb the ladder. There it is. Hey, tee off. There you go. Smash those hips now. Smash the hips. Hey, grab that wrist and pin it to the mat. Let's go. Get your arm out. Get your arm out of there. Get your arm out from under there. There. It was 53. All right, here we go. Let's go. Stay heavy, huh? Hey, circle with her. Come on now. Easy. Versus. What is that? Hey, control that hand. Let's go. Not today. I don't know. No, sir. Hey, come on, work up. Let's go. Let's get one. Come on. There you go. Oh, barely. Hey, that's all right. Keep coming. Let's go. Just missed it. It's all good. Get down. Let's go up. Hey, let's get a takedown here. Come on. Keep coming. Circle. Hey, turn that corner. Cut that corner. Let's go. Hey, circle away here. Oh, come on. Hey, you better work up. You better go. Let's go. Get one. Hey, you better move. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Get that hand off your head. Let's go. Keep that hand. Now,
you're out of there.
Now you're up. I totally understand. Hey, you got to move. Let's go.
You're reaching back.
Let's base up. Come on, base up.
Up.
Come up.
Second effort, Brittney. Keep going.
Come up. Let's go.
Let's get one here.
Oh wow, I picked bottom. He's gonna take bottom. All right. Hey, stay heavy. Break her down. Let's go. Come on.
Hey, watch out for that switch.
Hey, you're still in it. Sit with her if she switches. Switch. There you go.